all night.
Oh my god, hi guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Like it legit feels like I haven't spoken to you guys in a little bit, because it's always like back to back ever since my brother and his family came in. Like I've literally been on autopilot this last couple of days, but hope you guys are doing well. You guys can see that I've actually been having a good time with my family. It's just nice to have all of us together, you know, right from me down to Wendy, myself, my brother, Melba, Wendy, and then myself and my brother's kids all together. Obviously I'm not staying in the house with them, but I've told you guys before that my parents' house is literally behind my house. Like we legit live on the same street, so I'm always there like every other day. In fact, this is Saturday and my brother has already called me to ask me where am I, because we're meant to be going somewhere this morning. I'm taking him to go and get some Kilishi that they are going back with. They are leaving in about 2 days, and okay, this was a very short trip for them, like 10 days, a 10-day trip. So they literally are going to be leaving in 2 days, and I'm just trying to enjoy the remaining time I have left with them before they have to return back to base. So this morning I'm going with my brother to go get Kilishi. We're going to go to area 1 because I know that's where like the proper Kilishi center inside town is. I'm here in Abuja, so we're going over there to get Kilishi, and then tomorrow is Easter Sunday, so we're going to be getting drinks afterwards. Yeah, and then we also have plans of going to the pool today. We actually went to the Hilton some days ago, but we just did like a poolside hangout. We didn't really like swim, but we're trying to see if Lotoya will finish her hair on time, because she's braiding her hair right now at the house. So hopefully if she finishes on time, we can still do pool day before we have to do night out, because they insist on still going out tonight. They are not sure they can go out tomorrow, Easter Sunday night, and then they are leaving on Monday. So we want to be sure that we can do something tonight as well. You guys would have been seeing a lot of night hangouts. You guys know that's not even me on a normal day. I don't even have the time, I don't even have the energy or the strength to be going out every other night. But I have to say I've really enjoyed going out almost every night. It's not like every night for me, like maybe every 2 nights in the last 1 week, but it's really been fun. And of course with my brother and my sister, those ones, they are groove animals, so we've been having a good time. Anyway, that's that about that. Let me go to my parents' house now, see them, see my cute little nephew. Ah, he's so adorable. Take my brother to go get the Kilishi and then get on with the rest of our day. Whatever we get up to, you guys know that you always come along, because again, why are you here? All right guys, let's go. Meanwhile, my daughter has just been here dancing non-stop. She's been so obsessed with this new thing we found. I don't know, Bino and Fino. Lotoya put me up to this because they played this for the baby in the US. Bino and Fino, right mama? And then there's another one called, what's the other one called? Yeah, that's it, Bino and Fino. So what's the other one called? Gracie's Corner, I mean Christie's Corner, something like that. But she's been really enjoying it and she's been having a good time. See her, normally me, I'll be sitting down on the chair here watching, but instead she's dancing. Like she's been dancing for quite a bit. Hey, hey, go. Hey, 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 go Mia, hey, hey, go Mia, hey, 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 hey. This is really cute. Oh, hey, you loving your hair so far?
My hair was actually fierce.
Yeah, but it's looking nice.
But they're so fast.
Yes.
We started maybe 8:30.
Oh wow.
We're done.
What?
We're done. I know.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
That's great. I love it. It's looking good. I like that it's not too long.
Right. You know me now.
Look at that sleeping beauty sleeping there. Oh cute. Puff Puff. Puff Puff is being made. Grandma's house. Things are always happening in Grandma's house.
Papa!
Papa, Mia's favorite.
Papa!
Papa. You want more Papa? Mia loves Papa so much, you guys. We love pop so much. Mmm. 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 You can't open it? I'm coming. You alright? Tired?
A little tired, but I'm
Yeah. You barely finished your hair in good time.
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
I worked out. Got the rest of the day now. Figure my life out.
That's madness.
It is madness.
That's absolute craziness. Mommy's elder brother. But you look like daddy. Eh, their voice is almost the same, Abby. It's hot. Sorry. I was actually going to warn you, but yeah, so that doesn't hurt you. Yeah.
That's the trick, okay.
Sorry.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be
to love and hug myself.
Hey.
You know I got it. Look what I got it.
Hey.
Ain't nobody
Show your dance like this.
Yes, I am proud of
Do dance now. Hey.
Ain't got time for all that stressing. I'm risking ever come and stop it.
Hey. 1, 2, 3, go. I ain't stressing the day. I ain't stressing the day. Hey. The day is. I ain't stressing the day.
How many you want? Let me reach other for you. Abi? This one, the Ochiko.
Thank you, baby.
Everything too. Maybe half.
Where are the jara now?
Because maybe you are buying plenty, or maybe you go buy like 10 set like this.
Not only 10 cents.
See it, look. So like, maybe you go tell me to do 20 pieces like this. So that, you know, say the thing 6 months, nothing go down. I give you like this, don't put it in fridge. But don't worry, you will see something now. See, I don't do well.
This one how much?
10.
I got it.
Well, I really made good for you.
I know, no, I want 5K. What do you say?
5.
Jara now. Oh, you know the good Jara.
You're the type for us.
Do well for you.
Who is Jara now?
Do well for you.
This one don't come. My favorite. Bamboo.
Yeah.
But it's nice.
Maybe so correct.
Domination, stranglehold on possession. Then they
Mommy, recipe. Where is it?
Nah, I removed it.
Why?
I don't want to use it right now.
love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us.
Aww. Aww. Somebody's trying to kiss you. Aww.
Oh, is it today to holiday?
Today is Sunday.
Is it today to holiday? Is it today to holiday?
Yes, today is still holiday because there's no school yet until next week, I think. Hi guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Today is Sunday and it's Easter Sunday, so happy Easter if you are watching this. I hope your Easter went well. This is 9 a.m. and we're heading to church. My brother is on his way to get me. I don't want us to go with two cars, like me, him, Lotoya, Melba, so he's coming to get me and then I'll just drive to church with them. And also, apart from today being Easter Sunday, my kid sister Wendy is taking her first Holy Communion today. Yes, on a very special request. She's taking her first Holy Communion today. If you guys didn't know, we're Catholics. I was born and brought up in a Catholic home, so yeah. Anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Go to church and then probably like have Easter lunch and, you know, just bond.
Easter lunch, pizza.
Have Easter lunch, have family time, because tomorrow my brother and his family are leaving. So we have just today to spend with them before they leave tomorrow. And yeah guys, that's that.
Hello guys, today Daddy said after I go to church it will buy me pizza.
And that's your favorite, right? Because you love pizza so much, right? You love pizza so much. You love pizza so much. So that's what you're looking forward to after church.
Yes.
While the rest of us are looking forward to having Easter lunch, you're looking forward to eating pizza.
That's Easter lunch.
That's Easter lunch. You guys heard her. Can I see your outfit? I like it. Can you spin around for mommy? Good girl. I love it. You look pretty in white, girlfriend. You look pretty in white. What did you say?
You don't have white dress, honey, please.
So what's the color of my own dress? Is what?
It's green.
It's-
Just like a pizza.
Just like my pajamas. Hello.
Up from the grave, don't pull your mama's hair.
He's so tired. He's been up since 7. I made it to Easter. Wendy!
You know your sister. That's dad. Wait till someone who always believes in you and always has the best jokes. I like that. Hi. Are you awake?
Come on, sister.
You're awake, honey?
Come on, sister. This one, we gotta say,
What?
awesome runs in my family.
Aww.
Who's super the milk?
Hi, baby. I missed you when you were sleeping.
Guy.
That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving.